Pure Nebraska, beef is always a great ingredient in any recipe, and we have a recipe that features beef today. Joining me now is Joan Ruskamp with more. Joan, what do you have for us?
We have a Korean beef recipe. This is a favorite of my daughter Kim's family. And today I have my helper Evelyn here. You want to say hello to everybody, Evelyn? Just say hello.
Hi.
Okay. And so we have a recipe. It has ground beef, soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, some green onions, and a few sauces. And as you gather those, for me, it's really hard to find fresh garlic and fresh ginger in a small rural community. And so I like to buy the squeeze bottles. I have it already minced or ground up. And that's what I generally use just because it's available and it has a really great flavor. We've already browned the ground beef. And so what we're going to do now is add the minced garlic. So that ginger and that garlic add a delicious flavor to the ground beef. And then we're going to pop in our brown sugar. Okay, then we're going to pour this in. All right, now do you want to try stirring that? That might be a little easier to stir. You're going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. So you keep stirring, honey, and I'll add this. And the original recipe had kind of a spicy chili sauce. If you like spice, feel free, but we're not as much in the spice category, are we? So we use this. It's a sweet chili sauce, and I found this in a local small town grocery store. So it's pretty easy to find. Would you like to dump the green onions in?
All of them?
Yeah, all of them. If you've never worked with green onions before, just remember you can go from the bulb up to where the stalk starts to get hollow. And you're just going to turn the heat off now and let these green onions stir in your hamburger mixture. Let's start plating our dinner, just like we're going to get ready to eat lunch right now, okay? And so we put some rice on the plate. We put on our Korean beef. Okay, then for embellishment, this is a way you can get your kids to eat vegetables too. This is why my daughter loves this recipe. You can shred up some carrots. All right, go ahead and sprinkle those on. And then we can use a little bit of green onion. If you're in the summertime, you have the little small cucumbers you can use, but you want to go ahead and put how many cucumbers you want on there. And this is kind of like a finished product that we made up. And that's our Kim's Korean beef recipe.